Hey everyone and welcome back. Want to share meeting summaries and highlights with clients using Fathom's free plan? Here is exactly how. After your meeting ends, open the recap page. In Fathom Thanks, you will see the transcript AI summary and key moments. To share a clip, highlight the important part of the transcript, click the scissors icon to create a clip. Fathom generates a shareable video link of that moment. Copy the link and send it to your client via email or Slack. To share the full summary, click the share button at the top of the recap page. Generate a public link. You can send this link directly to anyone, even if they do not use Fathom. Free plan recordings are private by default. You must actively choose to share them. Your calls will not be shared automatically. Here is an important catch. If you are on a team workspace and share a call with teammates, your free account may be automatically upgraded to a paid seat to cover collaboration features. If you hit Fathom's free limit of 5 AI summaries per month, you can still share the chronological recap, which includes transcripts but not smart insights. And that is it. Share clips for key moments and full recaps for client transparency. If you share summaries, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.